What's up everybody, Nick here, Red Cowboy Media. In this video today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and installation of my new Racing Boy shock for the Honda Forza 350. These shocks are fully adjustable and they're only $250. Let's take a quick look and see what this shock is all about. These shocks come in 3 colors. As you can see, they got a beautiful film on the actual coil itself, which is going to prevent it from getting rusty and stuff. These are fully adjustable both on the top and the bottom. Right here, you actually can change the oil in the actual gas itself, the gas shock part. Now, what's cool about this shock is it actually came with an extra coil. So let's say you're a lighter rider. These are like the lighter shocks, right? So you could take off the stiffer ones and put these bad boys on. So why don't we just get going and put these bad boys on the bike and see how cool they perform. Let's go, you all. Let's get these bad boys on the bike. Come on. So we're gonna take this little Honda Forza and stick it under some shade because it is hot here in Thailand, y'all. Alright, so we got everything we need. We got our shock, we got a chair that my lazy ass to sit on, a 14mm wrench, and a little baby screwdriver to take off one little bolt. This should be a super easy installation. Let's give it a shot, because that's all we need. So this screwdriver right here goes to this little bolt that's right back here, which you probably can't see. So we're going to quickly remove it, which is not hard at all to do. Just a couple of turns right there and we should be able to loosen it so we can remove it with our fingers. I think we just got it right there. Let's see. And that's the little screw that we need to remove the little bit of fairing that's in the way of the shock. Alright, so we got this little plastic off now. As you can see, it just comes off just a little bit so that we can access this little knot right here, this bolt, so we can remove the shock itself. So we're gonna stick our 14mm in there. There we go. And quickly just turn up. Oh, it's kind of tight there. Oh, there we go. We got it unlocked. So we're gonna quickly remove that. Once we remove this one, we just have one more to do. Looks like it's ready to come off now. Aha! That's all it is. Second one on the bottom, and it's the same process. We're just gonna stick the 14mm in there. Ah, there we go. And just break it loose. And that's about it. So we got them both off. Simply remove the bottom, pull the top out. That thing came out like butter. Look at that cheap Honda Forza OEM shock. Ta-da! Let's get this bad boy on. So this should be really easy to put on. The canister faces outwards. Simply pop it in there. It's got 2 sides on here. Thread is on this side and the bolt itself goes right there. Look at that. Super smooth fit. Now we're gonna go to the top. Look at that, you guys. That went in like butter, y'all. Now we're gonna get our 14mm socket wrench and tighten it up. Okay, that's pretty tight. We'll do it tighter later. Let's get the top one on as well. Alright, here we go, here we go. There we go. That was nice and tight. Now that actually took only 1 minute to get that shock on. We'll quickly put this screw back on and the left side is done. We could quickly tighten it with our finger and then get the Phillips to go back in there and tighten it up. Alright, okay, we got it. Now let's go do the other side. Come on. Alright, man, all we need is this good old chair right here, the shock, and the only tools we need to get that old shock off and put the new one on. Alright, so let's get that screw off right quick. Alright, we got it in there. Okay, it's kind of hard to see, but it's not hard to get to. There we go. Alright, seems to be coming off smoothly. Aha! We got it, man. That's kind of hard to get to if you got fat old fingers like me. Let's remove this little fairing so we can access the bolt. There we go. And let's get it off. There we go. Alright. Really easy, man. Looks like you can remove our hand as well. Alright, we got it. Now there's one more to go. There we go. Alright, we got it. Now let's remove the shock and put the new one on. Here's the second shock we're going to put on. So hopefully it's just as easy as the first one. Let's get it in there. So the first thing slides in, and then the bottom. Now let's get this little bolt into the bottom of the shock and get it nice and tight. Alright, that went in nice and smooth. Now we got one bolt left, and that's going to go to the top. Hopefully it's just as easy as it was down below. Seems to be going on nice and smooth. Alright, so let's finish the installation and get them nice and tight. Wow, this one's super easy. Now all we got to do is put on the screw that it came with right here, and we're good to go. Let's tuck that back in there. Here's the little screw hole. Then we get our little screwdriver right there. Get it in there and tighten it. Okay, that's good. We finally got these off, y'all. Thank God, man. These have been a disaster. Super junk, I must say. Why Honda put these on, I have no clue. Anyways, I'll probably post these online for a few bucks to see if I can kind of recoup a little bit of my money to help with the price of the new shocks. I'm about to get on my bike and do a little test ride and let you all know how these shocks are. Thanks for watching this video, you guys, all the way to the end, and I'll see you all at the next one. Red Cowboy signing out. Bye-bye, guys.